This is my homemade recipe for bread. It's just a way to make bread at home. It's very easy and can be made by anyone. Milk, sugar to the milk, the yeast, egg, one egg. Now I'm going to add some butter, some salt. Mix everything together. Yeah. Now I'm going to add some flour to the mixture. Wow, my dough is set. See, I've rolled my dough. I'm trying to cut it into small portions. My dough is risen, so now I'm going to glaze the bread with milk and egg so that it will have this golden color. In the oven, so I'll leave it in the oven for 18 minutes. See this? Oh my gosh, I'm blushing. My bread is still forming. For puff puff, it's already risen, so I'm going to start frying my puff puff. Oil is ready, it's heated up, and my puff puff dough is ready, so I'll start frying. Frying my puff puff. Nice, really soft and sweet. Ouch, it's hot.